Guys, I'd like to show you some more in our electrical range of equipment. We've got the terminal crimpers. So these are a ratchet design. So you can see as I start to close it, it actually locks on a ratchet here, and then I can't reopen it until I've fully compressed the terminal. This ensures that I can't half crimp something and have a very poor electrical connection. I must close it until it goes fully compressed, then it'll allow it to open. Also, we have replaceable jaws. So there are different sets, they're all labelled. You can see here, this is an A, and that matches with that A. Or you can put in the Bs or the H1s, depending on which particular type of terminal you're wanting to crimp. Today we're using the insulated terminals, and they're all colour-coded. You can see here red, blue and yellow, and that matches the various colour sizes which are freely available. In this case today we're using blue, so we'll just put the earth terminal on first, in which case you can see that we line it up with the blue section, fully crimp it, and there we have a clamped terminal.